Alrighty then. Hello, Ernest Fry here. I am testing some new equipment that I have borrowed from a friend. Uh, I'm working on my current YouTube channel, named after me, Ernest Fry. So, I'm testing this equipment, the audio for one, because my audio really stinks on my equipment that I'm using currently. So, I have to buy new equipment. Maybe I'll start something, some kind of fundraiser to raise funds for that, but I guess that will be pending. God's will be done. Alrighty then. This is a test of the emergency Ernie casting system. This is also only a test.